This is breaking news now from today's TMJ4.
And that breaking news, the judge has ordered the nephew of Stephen Avery, Brendan Dassey, to be released from prison, but it may not be that simple.
That order comes from a federal bench, but the state of Wisconsin takes issue with that ruling.
Casey Geraldo joins us live to pick up the story. Casey.
That's right. We have very limited information as to when Brendan Dassey could walk out of here. That's because the Attorney General has filed a motion to prevent him from doing so. But as of right now, as of the judge's order, as soon as the U.S. Probation Office approves his post-release plans, he could get out. A key factor in Brendan Dassey's release is his confession. The federal judge points out, quote, various assertions and assurances the investigators made to Dassey amounted to false promises that he would not be punished. He says that along with Dassey's age, intellectual deficits, lack of prior record, and the absence of an adult or lawyer, this confession was involuntary. That's how Dassey's attorneys were able to satisfy the two ways for an inmate to get released, proving that the state court that last reviewed the conviction went against or wrongly applied laws, and that the state's decision was based on an unreasonable determination of facts. The judge writes, quote, extraordinarily, the court granted him relief on both grounds. But quickly after the order went public, the state's attorney general said he plans to file a motion to prevent Dassey's release. That could keep him here. Whether Dassey gets out or not is up to the 7th District Court in Chicago. In Portage, Casey Geraldo, today's TMJ4.
And no word when we'll hear from them. Thank you very much, Casey.
Well, lawyers, along with Dassey's family, have come up with a release plan for Dassey to be reintegrated into society. Dassey will live with his parents for the first 3 months following his release, then on his own in Brown County. Now, under the terms, Dassey must also go to school and get a job. So how did we get to this point?
Brendan Dassey was convicted as a party to the murder of Teresa Halbach April 25, 2007. He was sentenced to life in prison with no parole June 21, 2007. In December of 2015, Netflix released that popular series, Making a Murderer. Then on August 12th of this year, a judge threw out Dassey's conviction, saying investigators coerced a confession. Head to our website, TMJ4.com, for more on our continuing coverage of this case.